Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to create a form in GoHighLevel. Open GoHighLevel and switch to desired sub-account by clicking the top left menu and selecting the sub-account. Go to Sites in the bottom left. In the Sites section, click on Forms. Click Add Form in the top right corner. You can either start from scratch or choose a template. For this example, I'll choose a template. Browse the available templates and select one. I will use the generic sign-up template. Click Continue in the top right. Now you can customize the form, add your branding, edit fields, colors and other elements as needed. Once you're done, click Integrate to link it to your funnels or sites, or click Save to use it later. Rename the form by editing the name field if needed. The form will now appear under the Forms section. That's it. We have successfully created a form in GoHighLevel. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.